watched her rise before the sun had risen, hands already working while the world still slept. She never spoke of all the weight she carried, just folded all her tears and never wept. No one wrote a song about her mornings, no one saw the battles fought on kitchen floors. She fed us faith when there was little money, and somehow kept on love when life kept closing doors. She dreamed of more for children she was raising, planted seeds of hope in dry and rocky ground. Mama, you were God's most quiet miracle, the loudest kind of strength without a sound. Mama wami, wena unamandla, izandla zakho zakindlela yami. Iphupho layizolo, ilofele, yofika lapho selubona khona. Layizolo, yafunga namuhla, impumelelo yami ingumnikelo wakho. Mama wami, uNkulunkulu wakuzwa ukhala kwakho, iphupho lakho lizophila ngami. I remember shoes that didn't fit the winter, I remember supper stretched for hungry mouths. She never let us see the full extent of struggle, just smiled and turned our poverty to proud. She prayed in rooms that weren't meant to enter, on her knees before the morning understood, calling out the names of all her children, asking God to turn our almost into good. Mama, every scar upon your journey, every sleepless night and every borrowed grace was a down payment on my destination. You were running so that I could win this race. Mama wami, wena unamandla, izandla zakho zakindlela yami. Iphupho layizolo, ilothuwele, yofika lapho selubona khona. Tshela ngithulele, yafunga namuhla, impumelelo yami ingumnikelo wakho. Mama wami, uNkulunkulu wakuzwa ukhala kwakho, iphupho lakho lizophila ngami. There were nights she must have questioned every offering, wondering if the sacrifice was seen. But God was writing chapters in the waiting, stitching gold through every broken seam. I saw her faith outlast her disappointments, watched doors slam shut then turn and praise the Lord. She never let her circumstances alter the story she believed God had in store. And I was watching, Mama, I was watching. Every move you made became my map. You showed me that resilience has no language, just a woman and her God and no looking back. Hey, Mama wami, wena unamandla, izandla zakho zakindlela yami. Iphupho layizolo, ikuthulele, yofika lapho selubona khona. Ngeke lithuloke, yafunga namuhla, impumelelo yami ingumnikelo wakho. Mama wami, uNkulunkulu wakuzwa ukhala kwakho, iphupho lakho lizophelela. So I make this vow in every room I enter, I carry you inside every door I break, every ceiling